show you some toys. I have made it 21 or 22.
Alright. 22 or 22?
No.
Now
20.
count. Let's count. Let's count. Take it out.
26. 26.
26.
Yes.
What are we about?
It's
Now
about.
take one and count.
Okay.
Take one by one and count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Now take it out. Take it out.
No.
Let me see how many you got. Okay, now here we go.
25.
Alright.
25. Ooh. So, what is this? Today, I would love to show you my Rubik Cube. I just buy it.
I just bought it. You
Yes.
just bought it. So you review your Rubik Cube
Yes, and more.
and more. What more?
That's a firework.
A firework.
So I will review for you my Rubik Cube. I
Okay.
will just buy it, but I cannot play it because it's so hard. Yeah. It's so
Okay.
hard that I cannot play with it.
Move with it.
I don't know how to do with these. A Rubik Cube.
Rubik Cube. Bingo charm.
So hard.
Haha. But it's nice anyway.
Yes.
Why don't you try to challenge yourself?
I challenged myself, but it didn't.
It isn't. You cannot connect it and fit it together.
Yes. Ooh. Okay, I cannot do anything.
But I remember you got another baby cube, Rubik Cube. How about that?
Rubik Cube.
Yes. Very nice. You review your Rubik Cube already.
Yes.
Anyway, it's really nice.
Ooh.
Very nice. Okay. Very nice. More?
Okay.
How about your fireworks?
Firework.
Yes, I
It's
see,
easy
so nice.
to play.
Yeah.
Firstly, you see a four hole here. You just use your hand and put inside in like this,
Take it out.
and take it out and
Pull it
this,
out.
pull it out too, and then let's go.
Oh, I heard a noise. I got a sound. Well, it looked like a heart, don't you?
Hot.
Isn't it? It looked like a heart, don't it?
Heart.
Oh,
It's so hot.
alright.
You
It's
wanna
a
play
heart.
more? Just fold it again and play.
Why you make it?
Because I really hear fireworks.
Love to hear firework.
Let's play again. Now let's go, everyone.
Oh, I heard a big noise and a big sound too. Very nice.
Oh, it's very big. I love it.
Yes.
You wanna make it? So
Yes.
I will make it for you guys. Let it open it.
Very nice. I love to make it one day.
Oh
So we need too much paper.
no!
Show you.
We should need
Show
one
me.
paper.
One paper, A4 paper.
Yes.
Alright, how to make it?
First,
Fit it.
Firstly,
Fold a half.
you fold a half,
Yes.
and then you open,
Open.
and
Turn another side.
there, and after that, you fold it like this,
Yes.
and like this.
Yes.
You do the same thing.
Alright.
On every side,
Yes.
and after that, see the lines.
Okay.
Hey, you fold it
Yes.
there, and
Okay.
then you just open the hole and press it down.
It look like a triangle.
Yes. Open it,
Yes.
press it
Open
down.
it and press it down.
Okay, you fold all, and then we finish.
Oh, triangle. How many triangle there?
Triangle. What does that mean?
triangle. Here, this is a kind of triangle. Triangle means 3 sides, 1 side, 2 side, 3 side. This called triangle.
Yes.
How many triangle you got now?
2.
2? Where? Where?
1, 2.
2.
Right.
How about this? Look. Okay. 2 sides.
Now let's play for a while.
Uh,
Oh, I cannot.
what?
I'm so excited.
Are you? How you take it out?
How?
How?
It easily. You
There are
should-
hole. Now let me see your hole.
Here,
Okay.
there are hole here. You put your hand
In and
In.
put it up.
and put it up like this,
Okay.
and then you.
Oh, I heard a big noise and I see a heart. Really? Oh, really nice. Wonderful.
You just roll it again.
Okay, again, I love to see and play with it.
Okay.
Now I know how to make a firework paper. Thank you. Oh, I heard a noise. Very nice. Very nice.
Oh. So thank you for watching my video.
See you
Bye
next
bye.
video.
Woo.
Okay. See you next video and next your craft.
Okay,
Show
thank
you.
Bye bye.
So next time, what will you review? Tell me.
I will know.
Alright. Okay, think about it.
Okay. Goodbye.
Okay, thank you. See you.